Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add an image to a PDF file using the ILovePDF app. So we open the app and go to the tools and then tap on the Edit PDF button. Choose a file. We would like to work with PDF file, and then you can see this toolbar on the left. Click on the image button and then tap the text or the PDF file somewhere, and now we can choose a file from our gallery. I would like this file. Click on Done, and then we can easily place this image anywhere within the PDF file. We can resize it, we can even crop it. If you are finished, then you can easily share this file or do anything that you want to. I hope it will be useful for you and have a nice day.